up, everybody? My name is Wadi the Crypto Hunter. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone had a blessed day so far and hopefully a blessed night. Feeling a little bit under the weather because I got the flu shot, but it's all right. I had to do a live stream anyway. We have, yeah, I'm gonna mutate people. Just know that. Mutated Wadi coming up. We have Chaka the Crypto Hunter. Chaka the Crypto Hunter. Yeah, it's the flu shot effects. Don't mind me. Chaka Crypto. What's going on, Chaka? Hey, bro, if you got time, let me know. I'll send you a link. Um, so yeah, let's start by checking out what's going on with BTC. We have Paul in the house. What's going on, Paul? Long time, long time. Let's see. All right, let me bring up the window right here. So after a good while, I decided to finally get a Trading View Pro account. I know I'm a little bit stubborn, but here we go. So what am I seeing so far? This is the 50-minute chart. Let me open up a wider time frame because Bitcoin is not looking good at all. Okay, well, as far as having a good support level, it was right here. And as you can see, we're already below it. So the rest of the support, if you could look at the BP volume profile, you can see that it gets lower, lower, and lower. So that means if we go from here, obviously it has less and less support. So we could bottom out to the possibility of the 3K, I said 3K, the the 12 to 13K level. Just saying. Oh, it's good. Well, good to see you, bro. Hey, Tim Shea in the house. Jeff Ugly, Glazeby. Sorry, I said that wrong. My wife in the house. Eddie Turner in the house. What's going on, Eddie? So, yeah, from what I'm seeing here, and obviously this is another indicator I like to use. It's very precise. It's called the EMA ribbon, and I don't see it trying to go up anytime soon. Like I've been saying for the longest, probably here and there, a little relief rally, which will go up and then come back down. But it doesn't seem like it wants to shoot back up to the 20K area. Like I was thinking that it might, but even in the 1 day chart, you can see, and I'm gonna show you something real cool about these indicators right here. Look at that. Wouldn't you have loved to actually see this? When it said short, it went down. When it said long, it went up. And so far, it hasn't flashed another signal too too long. So we're still in a short signal. When it flashes the long signal, then obviously I'll feel safer into long in the market. Another thing that I like, it's this hash ribbon right here. The hash ribbon is a signal that will tell you capitulation, capitulation, capitulation. It goes blue, boom, buy time. And it goes up a bit. So right now you could see we're in the capitulation part. So we don't have a buy signal just yet, which means obviously the market might continue dropping Obviously, like I tell everybody, not financial advice, do your own research. But yeah, just be careful. That's all I gotta say. Chaka, hey Sonia. We got Platano Jones in the house. What's going on, Platano? Okay, so moving on. I haven't read the whole article. I did see that BlockFi might be in trouble because they also filed for bankruptcy. Now, makes you wonder what the heck is really going on. Um, we got G-Man in the house. What's going on, G-Man? So, will all these exchanges or different platform that actually it's good for what's the whole Bitcoin ecosystem or the whole crypto ecosystem, it really makes you wonder what is going on. Is there a possibility, which I highly doubt? I spoke about it. Here, let me do the weekly chart. I will have to change the indicator. Okay. So yeah, but this indicator, right here is pretty nice. It tells you exactly when to short. It says short right here, and look at that drop. And it show this one shows where the support was at, which it had a support for a good minute, and then here we go again. So we have Racket Club in the house. What's going on, Rack? All right, so basically that's just that as far as Bitcoin and what's going on, what's the possibility. Can we still go back up a little bit? Possible, but everything else is indicating that's just trying to continue dropping. Um, how about that $2 billion BTC withdrawn from Binance? Yes, that was another news that kind of worries me, but let me see if I find anything on that. I just read through quickly, not even read the whole article itself, but everybody is asking themselves, where did that money go? And why was it withdrawn? Um, well, I was actually going to go to Binance.com itself. Bad habits, people. Racket, hey Eddie, Tim, Chaka, Rack, um, Saplatano, Marty in the house. What's going on, Marty? And we have Dion. How are you, Dion? Which indicator is that, Marty? I'll tell you right now. There's two of them. Ayo, Racket, Sup, Marty. They were Papa, Yo, Plátano, my man, Sup, Sonia. So these indicator right here is the BRBP, which is this one, and it's pretty good. And this one is the EMA ribbon. So they're both nice. This one right here is the hash ribbon, which is even better. Someone has been pushing the Rap Luna. Guys, if you haven't already, try Good Humor Strawberry Shortcake Ice Cream Bar. And that is a non-paid sponsor. Wow, babe. Really. Alright, so let me go look if I find any other news because oh, by the way, Tim, I was keeping an eye on Flux and it was looking okay, and then it just got interesting because it started dumping. What it do, Eddie T? Top show crypto in the house. What's going on? That's football, if I remember correctly. What's going on, football? Sony, I used to eat those when I was a kid. I prefer toasted almond, but there's wearing any. All right, so let me see right here, right here, right here, right here. Oh, my apologies, Top Shell. Edward, actually. Thank you, thank you. So now they are both good. All right. So here we go. Here we go. Let's see latest news. Bitcoin language near 16K. We all know about that. Now you know that crypto right here. I've been hearing about it for like 2 or 3 weeks already. But the thing is, man, after the last free sale, it got me kind of scared of getting into any pre-sale anymore. Literally, people are getting wrecked on pre-sale. So, da, da, da. Oh, and I also saw that one, which is the president of Russia, Vladimir Putin. I read this article for ya. You gotta get on the payment plan for those two indicator. Yeah, bro, you gotta do the pro. What up, Woody and the What Squad? What's going on? Crypto launch in the house. What's good, bro? Hey, man, you want a link? Let me know. I'll send it. Platano, one of them is free. Not sure which one, though. So, yeah, that's strawberry shortcake ice cream is bomb. BlockFi is toast. Yeah, bro. I was also trying to look for the info on that and the money that was moved from Binance. So, Russian President Putin says independent blockchain-based payment network will be much more convenient than existing system. Vladimir Putin. um, a video screenshot of CNBC television, YouTube, a new blockchain-based international payment system could soon take shape if Russia President Vladimir Putin get his way. The remarks from Putin about a potential blockchain-based digital payment system were given during a conference on artificial intelligence AI hosted by the major Russian bank Sberbank, and according to Putin, it is the international sanction on Russia that has brought to light the need for an alternative payment system. Yeah, for those that don't know, he was kind of uh hold on, let me see this. He was kind of sanctioned, from the payment system and everything. So that's why he's looking into blockchain technology, which kind of benefits everybody that's involved in crypto. Anyway, Reggae, I'm the one with I did a YouTube short on it, left hand loud. Was good. Crypto launch. What up, crypto launch? Everybody say what's up to crypto launch. Okay. But a queen, uh, but a queen and racket, yo Eddie, it's only right for us to unwind. On Monday, yeah, laughing out loud. Why did you say his name like rice filled sausage pudding? Laughing out loud, that's funny. Hey man, I'm trying to make it entertaining. Somebody said I'm too strict and too serious, but in reality, I'm actually a big time clown. I'm listening in the background. I got some ribs I need to take off. All right, not a problem. Chaka. I agree. I have two roll and I'm ready. Stop bragging, Chaka. What is Petit Pouton? Not Putin. Yo, Tim Chaka. Hello, fan. How are you? Welcome, welcome. You good, brother. That's funny stuff. Hey, I try. So let me get back to this real quick. Um, all of us know very well that settlement are one of the possible method of attack under the current circumstances of illegal restriction. Our financial institution know this better than anybody else because they are working under them. The president said in his speech at the event. So Putin, let me see, hold on, trying to keep with the article in the chat at the same time. Find the house, hey, Miss Fan, Bracket, hi Tim, Sonia, hi, what's up, Chaga, ASMR. All right, so the Russian president has for some time now made it clear that he is keen on developing alternative to today's international payment system, which he considers is controlled by the West. Following Russia invasion of Ukraine, Western government cut off access to the international payment network SWIFT for a number of Russian banks while also freezing reserve asset held overseas by the Russian central bank. The current system of international settlement is expensive. Um, dun 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 dun. Putin. Okay. International settlement is expensive, and it is system of corresponding account and regulation is being controlled by a small club of states and financial group. Putin said in the speech. He added that his club, in his view, acts as the master of the universe who have monopolized control over everything. Putin went on by explaining to the audience how a system with a decentralized ledger, which is what characterizes most cryptocurrency, can make payment more convenient. Based on the technology of digital currency and distributed ledger, it is possible to create a new system for international payment and much more convenient, but at the same time, completely safe for participation and completely independent of banks' interference from third country, the Russian president says. So here we go. The speech came as Russia mules new and comprehensive regulation on crypto, among other things, a new draft bill that essentially legalizes international crypto payment and regulates the mining industry in Russia has been filed in the parliament. In addition, Russian lawmaker as recently as last week announced a plan that could see the nation create a state-run crypto exchange. In the past, crypto use has been heavily restricted in Russia, and the government has appeared opposed to it. Most notably, the Russian central bank has taken vehemently anti-crypto stance and resortedly refuses the idea of allowing crypto into Russian economy. By the way, everyone, I just want to make a quick disclaimer. English is my second language, so if I have an issue reading these giants' words, don't make fun of me, please. Okay. Oh well, if you do, just don't let me know you're making fun. Top shelf crypto. Why Russia has been buying up XRP? Hey, I wouldn't be surprised, honestly speaking, Tim. Um, I know for a while, actually, that they, even though they, they claim that no, they don't want crypto, whatever, whatever. But I remember that there was a leaked paper somewhere about him actually owning Bitcoin. So it's just like majority of these people, in the government. In the beginning, they said, no, 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 no crypto, no crypto, no crypto. And at the end of the day, guess what? Now everybody and the mother owns crypto. Here goes the Bitcoin languages near 16 as BlockFi bankruptcy keeps cryptocurrency contagion, concern, in focus. So this is the story that everybody's talking about. The other one is the one where Binance moved a couple of millions of BTC, US-based cryptocurrency lending and borrowing platform BlockFi, formerly one of the biggest in the cryptocurrency space, filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection on Monday. The company indicated that it hopes to restructure and will continue operation for the time being. So, quick question. If you're filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, then how the heck are you going to continue operating? Just curious. Today, BlockFi filed voluntary cases under Chapter 11 of the U.S. Bankruptcy Code. Okay. The platform, which gives depositor yield under crypto holding, had halted withdrawal earlier this month amid uncertainty due to cryptocurrency exchange FTX speculators collapse. BlockFi has over 100 creditor, 100K creditors. According to the company bankruptcy filing, BlockFi owes money to at least 100,000 creditors. Ouch. Its largest creditor is Ancora Trust Company, to which BlockFi owes 730 million. Ouch again. In unsecured claim, other large creditor include West Rum Higher Shires Inc., FTX US legal name, to which BlockFi owes 275 million, and the SEC, to which BlockFi owes 30 million. BlockFi had agreed to pay the SEC and several states regulator a total of 100 million earlier this year as part of the settlement over the allegation that its crypto yield product had violated US state and federal law. The settlement at the time forced BlockFi to register its yield product with the SEC. So you also owe the SEC. That is a big oopsie. BlockFi Monday bankruptcy following rounds of what has been a rocky year for the cryptocurrency lending platform after the abrupt collapse of the Luna cryptocurrency ecosystem back in May and the liquidation of the unnamed large client who may think could have been known defunct crypto hedge fund Three Arrow Capital. BlockFi had they have just don't want their people to have it. Hey there, don't make fun of me, please. While it seems to be developing an extra year, undisclosed information, the flu shot has been altered. You're funny, babe. Um, ecosystem. Okay, BlockFi had to get a credit line from FTX to survive. A 250 million agreement soon morphed into a 400 million facility that gave FTX the option to buy BlockFi should they want. Interesting. So then, if they owe FTX money, then just out of curiosity, then how is it that FTX supposedly is broke? Excited to share an update on our previous announcement term sheet with FTX US and how we broaden the scope of the initial deal for the benefit of all key BlockFi stakeholder. Yesterday, we signed definitive agreement subject to shareholder approval with FTX US for one, a 400 million revolving credit facility, which is subordinate to all client funds and options to acquire BlockFi at a variable price of up to 240 based on performance trigger. That lifeline back in July kept BlockFi ticking over until early November, but early this month, a liquidity crisis at FTX resulted in the abrupt collapse of the exchange and threw BlockFi credit line into uncertainty. Things accumulate, culminated with BlockFi eventually being forced into declaring bankruptcy on Monday. Crypto credit contagion fears weigh on sentiment. Cryptocurrency traders remain cautious on Monday as they question how much further the ongoing credit crisis in the space has to go. FTX untimely demise has brought Genesis and now BlockFi to their knees. How many more platforms might fall? That is the biggest question. And how might the ongoing crisis impact society broader perception of crypto, as well as effort to regulate the space by government authorities? Current price actions suggest that traders investors deem recent event as one likely act as a drag on broader crypto adoption, which consumer confidence in the nascent financial technology knocked, and two, likely to perhaps result in a more aggressive stance from regulator in key market like the US. Bitcoin was last changing hands around 16,200, around 2% lower in the last 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. That means the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization remains around 25% lower than its pre FTX collapse level near 21,500. Bitcoin supporter argue that FTX and the ongoing credit crisis in the crypto space have nothing to do with Bitcoin. That is total BS. Because, see, this is the thing. When people see crypto collapsing and exchanges collapsing, that obviously affects the whole market. So, how does one thing got nothing to do with the other? I never saw BlockFi as one of the major exchange. Me neither, Tim. While the Chapter 11 is for reorganization, they can still operate and maintain ownership. Ah, got you. I'm glad CC called out FTX. Now we would be in bigger trouble later. See, Dion, that's exactly what I was saying. A lot of people got mad at CC. They felt like I was even one of them. At one point, I felt like there was market manipulation on his behalf. But then I thought about it. Look at what happened with Luna One. Nobody got a fair warning. I mean, not Luna One. Luna Classic or Luna. which now is Luna Classic. So nobody had a warning, and you know how many people lost money. Some of them probably even committed suicide because they um they lost everything. But long story short, um, that was totally messed up. So when CC came out and called out FTX was still around $21. So some people are mad about it, but when you really think about it, the people that actually listened to CC and got out in time, those people are happy. But the ones that didn't and they got caught in the mix, then that's a different story. Or even the ones that think that FTX is going to recover, which at this point, my opinion only, not financial advice, I highly doubt it. But then again, there's so much going on there that you never know. All right, so rather FTX failure are as a result of human error and centralization, while the ongoing credit crisis is as a result of the financialization of crypto. Bitcoin is an antidote to both such phenomena, they argue, but according to the price action, the bears remain in control for now. Bitcoin traders will be hoping that U.S. economy data and rhetoric from U.S. Federal Reserve member will stoke optimism about a potential less hawkish policy stance from the Fed in the months ahead. Otherwise, Bitcoin upside prospect remains somewhat limited. So, in general and overall, the cryptocurrency market looks like it's going to crap. I'm not saying that this is the end of crypto, so don't mistake my words. I believe cryptocurrency still has a big future ahead, and some people might think otherwise. Not only that people will learn not to leave their assets on centralized exchange, I just it to get my fiat in and out. That that could work. Do you see Mr. Wonderful had secured 8 billion in loans to keep FTX running until the investors saw that was going on, very close to bailing SBF out. All right, but how is this guy still free? Is my question. Well, no, we answered that when we had Daniel yesterday because that's the only explanation. Other than that, like, come on, this guy and the whole team should have been arrested already. But you know what they say? Um, with money, anybody could sing and dance wherever. But that really sucks. I'm just saying, like, that guy should have been behind bar, and that's it. He is buddies with Gensler. Well, then he needs to be locked up too. Honestly speaking. All right, let me see if I find. And this is another thing. This is another reason why I believe that the market might continue dropping, and is the fact that the hackers actually from FTX, they still have a lot of Ethereum in their possession. So, what makes you think that they're not gonna sell some more? So the minute that they start selling that off, that's also taking out money out of the market, which is gonna cause another panic sell type of situation. And yeah, and contact at the uh ag- agree because yeah, I mean it's just sad, and it gives crypto and everybody else that's trying to do the right thing in crypto a bad name, literally. Um, it's funny because usually this thing has a good amount of information, but I can find the Binance one. Oh well, it says here that he explained it. So let's see. They have been swapping E for BTC. They have been swapping also for DAI and USDC, if I remember correctly. Well, this is the good thing about this site, ladies and gentlemen. I actually don't gotta do the reading. Hold on, let me play it.
Binance CEO explains 127 KBTC transfer, points at proof of reserve audit. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance is moving large amounts of cryptocurrency as part of its proof of reserve for audits, according to the CEO. Binance sent 127,351 Bitcoin, BTC, for more than $2 billion, to an unknown wallet on November 28, Whale Alert reported on Monday. According to on-chain data, the transaction occurred at 10 a.m. UTC, costing Binance just a 0.000026 BTC, 42-cent, fee. The huge Bitcoin transaction has immediately triggered some FUD in the community, with many noting that Binance has moved an amount that is an entire fortune in one single transaction. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao subsequently took to Twitter to announce that the massive transaction is part of Binance's poor audit process. He also called the community to keep calm and ignore the FUD, stating, "The auditor requires us to send a specific amount to ourselves to show we control the wallet. And the rest goes to a change address, which is a new address. In this case, the input DX is big, and so is the change." The CEO also referred to an old post on Twitter that he posted 4 years ago, calling on the crypto community to learn about blockchain transactions and change addresses. "We will be moving some funds between our cold wallets. A telltale sign of a new cold wallet on Binance is two small transfers from and back an existing wallet, then a large transaction. No need to be alarmed," Zhao wrote in a tweet in October 2018. In response to growing FUD in his comments, Binance CEO posted another tweet, arguing that investors that believe FUD all the time are also likely to be poor. "I know it in number 39. S. Hart. If you thought a fraudster is legit, you probably are already poor. But if you believe FUD all the time, you will also likely to be poor. Life is not easy." CZ Binance, at CZ_Binance, November 28, 2022. The latest Binance transaction has apparently raised eyebrows of investors as Zhao himself declared that exchanges moving large amounts of crypto to prove their wallet address is not good news. On November 13, Zhao wrote on Twitter the following statement. "If an exchange had to move large amounts of crypto before or after they demonstrate their wallet addresses, it is a clear sign of problems. Stay away. Stay #SafeYou." The news comes shortly after former Kraken CEO and co-founder Jesse Powell argued Binance's poor approach was pointless without liabilities. Related, CoinMarketCap launches proof of reserve tracker for crypto exchanges. A number of industry experts, including DAO maker Hassan Sheikh and Jan3 CEO Samson Moe, are also confident that exchanges' poor practice is useless without liabilities because it's very difficult for exchanges to fake liabilities.
All right. So he did explain what happened. I guess that's good news. I mean, me myself, like I said, a lot of people might feel otherwise when it comes to CC, but he has been able to run Binance for a good amount of years and doing it well. But yeah, I will understand why this will raise a red flag, especially with everything that's going on. But he came out and said what was going on. So the only thing we could do is just hope that it's true. That's all. How are you, Daniel, in the house? What's going on, Daniel? Doing well, thanks. Jeff, oh good, brother. So basically, with that being said, hopefully, I mean, like I said, I doubt it. And this is the reason why I say that I doubt that Binance would ever have any legal issue. Well, not legal issue, but more like being insolvent issue. And it's because of the type of volume that Binance moves. Uh, I just thought it was interesting. All good, no worries. Yeah, I mean, hey, anybody would, freak out, especially after everything that's going on. CZ is the fucking man, get off his back. Yeah, see, Daniel is a CC defender. CC's knight. Hold on, guys. Nah, but all jokes aside, I got respect for CZ because he actually managed to keep crypto alive no matter what. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna say that everybody's perfect. I'm pretty sure, just like everybody else, they played the game, which the game would be, um, if they could make the BTC drop some more and they will buy more, then hey, by all means. But look, guys, this is the amount of volume that Binance move in 24 hours. Look, 11 billion now 947,440,998.86 cents. Now, this is one of the reasons why I don't worry so much when it comes to Binance. The sad part is that they don't have it available in New York. And I hate that. Because if it would have been available in New York, then that would have been a different story. And mind you, that's just the original Binance. Let me see how much Binance US moved. Just like there was a rumor that the money that Binance gets from listing, they actually donate that. So yeah. And look, even in Binance US, they're still moving 275 million, 37,244.12 cents. So not bad. CC is definitely a mastermind. Yeah, I mean the men know how to play Chinese checker, not chess. Caesar has yet to be wrong on what he is telling us. I am surprised you can use MEXC. Really? Well, I'll talk to you in private about that, Tim. At times I even wonder if there is a connection between MEXC and Binance. But yeah, guys, I mean, yeah, that's what I said. He donates all listing fee. And it did sounded arrogant, from his behalf when he was in the AMA, that he kind of let it known that all the volume that they move, not even the smallest exchange can beat them. I mean, not even the biggest exchange or all the exchanges combined can be Binance. And if you really do some research between top movers and Binance, you'll be surprised. Ah, I now it's kicking in harder, people. Okay. I remain skeptical of all and trust no one entirely, including CC. I like what he's been doing, but I got my eyes on him. Well, hey, man. Uh, ah, I hate when I gotta sneeze, but I'm not sneezing. Platano, it pays to keep your eyes wide open. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying you gotta close your eyes and just believe everything he says, but so far, he hasn't done anything that I could kind of say, look, this guy is messed up. He was just telling the truth. Yeah. Um. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. I don't have anything else to talk about. We already talked about BlockFi. We already talked about what the market is trying to do. Which let me check again. Oh yeah, Platano. Do you hear when I answer the questions about these indicator? This one is the hash ribbon. This is the MACD. This is the divergence indicator, which is pretty good because I don't got to do it myself anymore. So you see when it pointed out the divergence right here, it said bear, the market went the opposite. And right here. But let me see. Telling the truth is one thing, was the agenda though. Is a benevolent move to protect investor or a power play to monopolize? Stay skeptical, my friends. I mean, it could be both. Always leave with one eye open no matter what. Yeah, well, I'll try that and see. So, all right, guys. I mean, it has been fun. But with all that being said, I have no more news update or anything that I could say. And I really feel like crap. I'm not gonna lie. I'm here, but my head is like feeling a little bit oopsie daisy. And not for nothing, but since I started having a bit of a runny nose, I don't want my nose to start running on stream. That would be very, very awkward. Just saying. Let me see 1 month real quick. Oh yeah. See, if I would have been using the pro, um, the Pro Trading View, man, look at this. This would have told me right here to get out of the market and have fun from there. But unfortunately, everybody got caught late. And look at the same thing doing in here. Facts. Platano Jones, well, I didn't think of it like that. I hope you feel better. Thanks, Shaka. Appreciate that, bro. Do not be using that bull indicator for a while. Yeah, man. But you know what? At least now that I know about it, when the bull market actually kicks in, I would know about it. So, yeah. Dean, glad to have brought a different perspective to you. Well, with that being said, guys, it has been fun. For real, we will be down for a while. Yeah, I mean, I keep saying it. So some people they're like, "Oh no, I don't think so." But I've been saying it. I think this bull market won't start to like end in 2024, maybe starting early 2025. But I don't think it is going to start anytime soon. I don't agree with 2023. Maybe a pre bull market at the end of 2023, but nothing big. Come check out Mr. Wadi and Chaska. Drink some mint tea with lemon or lime with honey. It works for me every time. Thank you, Dean. I really appreciate it. Oh, by the way, guys, tomorrow we're gonna be on Daniel Gayton channel. Daniel, did you put do you know what time? Like I could know. And yeah, if you guys can, just go join us there tomorrow. Good night, Dad. Good night, baby. But all right, ladies and gentlemen, I am out of here. I feel like a drunk guy that, the one that's in the party says bye 3,000 times but doesn't finish walking out the door. See ya, everybody. Good night. God bless everyone. And thank you for being here. Really appreciate that. Oh, wow. Yeah, so funny enough, my outro is not playing. Hold on, one more time. God bless everyone.